You can never have enough storage, and our friends at Stor-X have some fabulous ideas for you.
Where do you start when determining the best storage configuration for a closet?
So before your Stor-X designer shows up, you need to decide what you're going to put into your space. Your Stor-X designer will ask you specific questions about different types of hanging that you may have, jewelry, clothes, handbags, gym gear. And remember, the glamorous closet isn't just for ladies. If you are sharing a closet with a partner, they might want to have a little bit of feedback into their needs as well, so give them that opportunity. Your Stor-X designer will ask you about priorities, different things such as whether you like to have different hanging heights or different shelving heights, whether you need accessory racks such as tie racks, belt racks, jewelry drawers. All of these will create a custom space just for you.
What sort of things should I consider when organizing my mudroom?
The mudroom in your home can often resemble Grand Central Station. It's a catch-all for backpacks, sporting gear, hockey gear. Your Stor-X designer will ask you questions about what type of activities your family likes to partake in. If you're a big hockey fan, you can get a custom-made hockey organizer. If there's lots of backpacks, your designer will recommend hooks. If there's lots of little pieces such as toques and hats, they will recommend drawers for family members. You can turn the mudroom that is chaotic into a thing of organizational beauty.
My laundry room is a mess. What could an expert do to help me?
When your Stor-X designer is done helping you organize your laundry room, it will be a place that you will definitely want to spend time in. Laundry rooms are often strange spaces with funny angles and tight little quirks that we specialize in helping you get the best use of. We'll get stuff off the floor. We'll get your clothes hanging, coming right out of the dryer so that you can put nicer items there. We can get your cleaning supplies put in place. All of those things can be looked at, and your Stor-X designer will help you turn your laundry room into a place that is truly functional.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.